Celebrations continues. Hey! Ah!
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. The last bit of the sun is setting on that end and street lights are on. And such a dark sky today that we're having, but that sunset is majestic, and that's just the tail end of it. And whilst that is happening, look at the contrast on the other side. Look at the moon sitting over those trees over there as it's making its way up, so clear and wonderful as the lights come on in the houses over there on the hill. Such a majestic view. And this is the way we're welcoming in the Sabbath this week. I've been wanting to have some plantain porridge, and a friend of mine brought me 3 plantains. So I've taken one. I'm going to make the porridge because I'm just making it for myself. So I've taken one, I've cut it up, and I've already blended it out, and I've prepared the water that I'm going to be using. So I just have some milk, some water, a little bit of flour, although I could have blended it in as well, but I didn't want to blend it today because of the fact that I was using this and the space inside. So I decided to do it that way instead. And I put all my spice and everything in there already, and a bit of salt. And so now all I'm going to do is just put it on the fire with the solution, the plantain blend puree, and then just whisk that in until it starts to boil, and then just cook it out, sweeten and drink. So I will show you later on. And now I'm just going to put it on and just keep whisking it. It's starting to thicken. And you just do it as thick as you like. I don't like it too thin, but I also don't like it too thick. This thickness is fine for me. So I'm just going to leave it to cook, then sweeten. So now I'm just going to sweeten. So I'm putting a little bit of sugar. That's all the sugar I have left because I don't really use sugar much. And I'm going to put my milk. So I've plated out the one I'm going to have today, and I have some left over for another breakfast, another morning. So how do you have yours? Do you put bread in yours or just as a toast sandwich on the side? I will show you in a second how I have mine. So I have mine with bread in. Comment below, how do you have yours? Now let's taste. And that bread in means that it makes you feel like you're eating because there's something to chew. I'm going to go enjoy. The gardener came and finished off the hedge. So he had done the grass and things before, but he hadn't done this hedge and also a bougainvillea plant at the back. So he came today to just get it nice and clean up and finish it off, which is quite awesome actually. He went through it so quickly and cut me jelly so I can get it to eat. So I've got my jelly. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to be enjoying that right now. I've already had some. That was good. Really good. That's good. Awesome. I like the flesh a little bit harder than this, but this one that I got, this is what the flesh was like. It's Eleona's evening to make dinner this evening. So, what's on the menu, madam?
It's a surprise dinner. I call it the Eleona special.
Okay. So, what is it?
Some brown stew chicken with some grated cheese and a noodle special.
Okay, so can I look at it now?
Open your eyes.
Okay, so there's mixed vegetable with the noodles, brown stew chicken, as you said, and cheese on top, right? And it's served in a bowl. And I'm going to use a fork to eat my noodle rather than using chopsticks.
Oh, yeah, that's that also these.
So, am I okay to take it now? Okay. Is this a hack?
What do you mean?
You're grating.
Oh, so it's just a life hack I found that you can keep the broth from the noodles if it doesn't cook out. And then you can strain it off and make a sauce and mix it with cheese to make it cheesy.
Oh, so is that what you're doing for
Yeah,
yours?
so I'm going to do for mine. Because you want to put it on the top, I left it on the top. So you can mix it in if you want to.
Okay. That's fine then.
This is mine.
So you're going to now make it into a cheesy sauce. Okay. Well, that's fine then. Okay. So you're going to use the broth and make it into a cheesy sauce?
Yeah, I already used the broth to make a thick creamy sauce, so all I need to do is mix in the cheese. Okay
then. Well, hopefully it tastes delicious, and I'm going to go enjoy mine.
And of course, because of my ethnicity, I had to add like half a bag of cayenne pepper to mine.
Okay. So what you say? It's spicy.
Well, to me, it's okay. It might be spicy to you or to whoever decides to consume it, but I like it that way.
Okay, so you've trained your taste buds to that. Well, I'm going to go and try and enjoy it. So, bon appetit.
Well, if you're interested, you can follow our progress on your moving map displays on your entertainment screen. All that this afternoon is going to take us to region 9 hours and 15 minutes. Weather forecast for arrival in the early evening in Kingston is good. Pretty much clear skies, strong winds, temperatures.
Passengers need to remain seated with their seatbelts securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Thank you.
No, this side no switch off. Obey the rules, no man. No, this side no switch off and that it up. We're gonna obey no rules too. We're traveling from London to Jamaica with my friend Henry and meet a nice girl. She's very and we hope to have a nice time and link up in
Jamaica.
Can link up and have some beers to drink? Yes. Okay, that's it. We have a nice time on the plane. Good. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. And my friend Henry is too you want too forward.
Yeah, be forward.
He's trying to turn up the year what's he gonna do.
I will tell you, man.
Okay.
One of them I really want, so we can get that cheap flight every so often.
Okay, so I am finally in Jamaica, and I'm going to make my way now to the customs and baggage clearance, after which I'll be picked up. I can't wait to taste the patty. That should be amazing, but I'll keep you posted. The celebration continues, and of course today I'm very excited because I'm about to get to go and see my sister and reconnect, get to give her a nice hug and just get to see her in action and support her on her endeavor that she's going to be embarking on right now. As you probably have realized by now, one of her main or primary reason for coming to Jamaica is because of the charity that she runs, which is Khalil's Talapis Foundation. And so she's coming here as part of that, and also in support of another charitable organization. So I will get to see her and I cannot wait. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm quite excited about this reunion and meet up and link up and the shenanigans that we will get up with on the down times that she has that aren't earmarked for her projects that she's coming to do. So I'm looking forward to it, really. Yeah. The birthday celebrations continues. Hey! This time is indulgence again, oh. Which one is mine? Which one is Eleona's? Tell us what you think in the comments below. Who grabbed what? How many of you know what this is? If you do, tell me what it is in the comment below, or what do you call it in your region of the world. I got it this morning and I'm going to cut it open and see how it looks on the inside. So that's what it looks like. See that lovely color? That lovely color. And you see those lovely flesh on the inside. And there's just a pip or a seed, whichever you call it. And I'm now going to taste. So you can see all that milk coming out of it. Let's just taste it. I haven't had one of these in, I cannot even recall how long. It's nice. If you want to and you don't want to get stain on you, you can just use a spoon and scoop it out. Almost finished. Thank you for coming on and spending the time with us today. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.